2025 Mercedes CLE Coupe replacement for two icons. Mercedes-Benz has never been shy about reshaping its lineup to keep up with customer demand and evolving market trends. For 2025, the German luxury automaker introduces the Mercedes CLE, a sleek new coupe designed to replace not one, but two beloved models, the C-Class Coupe and E-Class Coupe. Positioned as a fresh chapter in Mercedes' storied history of stylish two-doors, the CLE blends elegance, performance, and cutting-edge technology in a package aimed squarely at enthusiasts who still appreciate the allure of a grand touring coupe. A new chapter in Mercedes design. From the outside, the 2025 Mercedes CLE is instantly recognizable as part of the new generation Mercedes family, featuring a sculpted silhouette with a long hood, flowing roofline, and short rear deck. The front fascia wears a sleek interpretation of the iconic grille, flanked by slim LED headlights inspired by the latest E-Class. Its wide stance and muscular haunches lend the CLE a sporty presence, while frameless windows and flush door handles highlight its premium coupe profile. The decision to merge the C-Class Coupe and E-Class Coupe into one model is both strategic and practical. Sales of traditional coupes have declined globally, and Mercedes is consolidating its offerings without abandoning enthusiasts who still value two-door style. By positioning the CLE between its former siblings, Mercedes aims to offer a single coupe that embodies the best of both worlds. Powertrains with flexibility. The CLE is expected to arrive with multiple powertrain options, ranging from efficient 4-cylinders to powerful inline-6 engines with mild hybrid assistance. A CLE 300 model will likely feature a turbocharged 4-cylinder, while the CLE 450 will house a turbo inline-6 paired with Mercedes' 48-volt EQ boost system. For enthusiasts craving maximum performance, an AMG CLE 53 and a possible AMG CLE 63 are expected to join the lineup, delivering power outputs well above 400 horsepower. Rear-wheel drive will remain standard, with Mercedes' 4MATIC all-wheel drive system available for added traction. The CLE promises agile handling thanks to its lightweight platform, adaptive suspension, and precise steering, positioning it as a true driver's car within the brand's lineup. Inside the CLE, modern luxury meets tech. Inside, the 2025 CLE reflects Mercedes' latest interior philosophy, blending digital sophistication with traditional luxury. The cabin is dominated by a large vertical 11.9-inch infotainment screen paired with a 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster. Both run the latest MBUX software with AI-driven personalization, voice command functionality, and over-the-air updates. Premium materials such as leather, wood, and brushed aluminum create a high-end atmosphere, while ambient lighting with customizable color schemes enhances the sense of occasion. Though a two-door coupe, the CLE offers a surprisingly usable rear seat and a spacious trunk, making it more practical than its sporty appearance suggests. Final thoughts. The 2025 Mercedes CLE represents a bold move from Mercedes-Benz, consolidating two icons into a single coupe designed to keep the brand competitive in a shrinking but important market segment. With its striking design, versatile powertrains, and cutting-edge technology, the CLE aims to capture the hearts of drivers who still crave the elegance and performance of a classic Mercedes coupe.